How to fix the voicemail notifications won't go away on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this button and then tap on this restart option. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now here in apps, again tap on this apps option and then scroll down and look for the phone app. So click on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on show system processes. Now go to the search bar and search for the phone app. Now open the phone app and then go to its storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of phone app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK. Now after doing this, the voicemail notification issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution to fix this issue is open settings again. Scroll down to the end and click on system and updates and then tap on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then again click on this reset all settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will click on this reset all settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the voicemail notification issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the voicemail notifications won't go away issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.